What if one of the earliest warning systems in your body is something you look at every day but rarely pay attention to? Pay attention to your mouth. It reveals more than you think. Most people think the mouth only matters when there is tooth pain. But the truth is, the mouth can reveal early signs of health trouble before bigger symptoms appear. And now AI is being explored as a tool that may help detect some of these warning signs even earlier. Your mouth is not separate from the rest of your body. Changes in the gums, tongue, saliva, breath, or inner cheeks can reflect problems that deserve attention. Common warning signs include bleeding gums, swollen gums, mouth sores that do not heal, and persistent bad breath, dry mouth, white or red patches, loose teeth, or gum recession. Some of these signs may point to gum disease, infection, tooth decay, or in some cases, more serious oral conditions. Researchers have spent years studying the connection between oral health and whole body health. Poor oral health is linked with conditions such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease, although the exact relationship is not always simple. So the message is not every mouth change means major disease. The message is this: your mouth can be an early place where health problems become visible. This is where AI becomes very interesting. Scientists are developing AI systems that can study photos inside the mouth and gum inflammation patterns. They also analyze suspicious lesions, dental images, and saliva biomarkers. Some of these systems are designed to help screen for gum disease, oral abnormalities, and other warning signs. Saliva is also being studied as a powerful non-invasive source of health information. And AI may help detect patterns humans cannot easily see. But let's be clear, AI is not magic. AI should be seen as a support tool, not a replacement for professional diagnosis. A dentist or doctor is still needed to examine the cause, confirm the problem, and guide treatment. So what should you watch for if you notice gums that bleed often, sores that last more than 2 weeks, constant bad breath, or dry mouth that keeps returning? Do not ignore them. Your body does not always shout first. Sometimes it whispers. And sometimes that whisper begins in your mouth. As AI gets smarter, early detection may become faster and easier. But the first step is still awareness. Pay attention to your mouth. It may reveal more than you think. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos on how AI may detect health risks earlier than ever before.